And she starts telling me like what she likes to do, this and that. I'm like, so she's setting myself up, like she's basically letting me know that when I come to America, I'm getting peace. So I'm like, alright, not gonna say nothing. I go and take my piece. I'm gonna get there. So anyways, I've linked this girl. We've gone to my show. I had a mad show. It was sick. Left the show. We're going to the club because there's a club after the show. Performed there as well. And we're drinking and having a little. I don't drink that much, innit? I get lit easily. One mixed drink and me good. Start feeling nice. Me want to leave. I'm that type of guy though, you know. When I start getting in my little vibe and I know I'm feeling a bit drunk or whatever you want to call it. Whoever I'm talking to at that time, that girl, I got text like, yo, let's leave. And I'm gonna leave. We're gonna get the hell out of there. I wanna go back to the hotel. I hate you guys, just listen to this now. I get back, well, we leaving now. I get back to the hotel. Yeah. Get back to the hotel. I'm a bit weird when it comes to this year. You see, if we've been out the whole day, I can't just come in and have, what word can I use? I don't want to get banned. I can't just come in and, you know, do the thing. You guys know what I'm talking about. I can't just come in and just do the thing straight away. I like to shower. I want to like to know that she showered as well. Because we've been out all day sweating, this and that. I don't want a stench come from the place. So I'm like, all right, cool. She's coming and she wanted to go straight away. I was like, hey. I said, because I don't want to be rude, I always tell girls this. I'll be like, let's go in the shower, like start off there, you know? And she was like, all right, cool. Went in the shower, we're chilling in the shower and washing ourselves. I'm looking at her, making sure she wash where we're supposed to be washing. This and that. I'm just like, yeah, washing myself. Bam. Come out the shower now. She's on action. She's on more go than I am, you know. She's on this type of thing, like dragging me up, like, yo. The American girl is different. Dragging me up, drapes me up. I'm like, all right, cool. You know what? Let me go with the pattern. Let me go with the flow. Come, me know if I do my thing, you know. It's a top G, you know. I get to, she pushed me on the bed. She starts going wild, doing the wildest stuff. Hey, do you know what this girl went and did? Remember the big bag that I thought was just full of clothes? Yo, the girl go to the bag and she take out a dildo the size of flipping King Kong. It was like that big. I looked at her and I said, what are we doing with that? I was like, that's for yourself, right? Cause I was still going mad in this blow. They go take out a thing. But to the size of the thing, yeah, I'm saying to myself, I've all started going, blood. If that's what you take, you know, I'm feeling shy myself. Come, you know, my thing, you know, strong, whatever. But the thing big enough, fuck, like, yo, I'm like, this is all putting me as shy. I'm starting getting shy now because I'm saying, yo, how am I supposed to match up to this? How the hell am I supposed to match up to this? The thing big, fire, the thing, yeah. And I'm like, Jesus Christ, this is what she takes on normal base. Yeah. Remember, when they build dildos, they build them out of they build them on some different type of sizing. You get it? They don't build them this giant thing. And I'm going to myself, yo, automatically may start shrivel up. I'm start say, yo. I'm like, I'm start get shy. All my things start get shy from the start shy to start going, whoop. Yo, because I'm thinking, you gotta use different word, TikTok sensitive. I know this, I'm trying to find a different word. So anyway, she take out the thing and she jumped on the bed and just started using it on herself. I'm like, Jesus, I'll go on here and that and whatever. And I'm just like to myself, bro, how am I supposed to match up to this flipping King Kong size? This thing looks like it belongs to King Kong. Me here looking at my thing, I'm like, yo, because I've never ever in my life felt like I've had, you know, a small, I've always said to myself, yo, I would me have my arm tail. Bro, until I seen this blood, I'm like, that is what you use at home. I'm like, no. Bro, in the bag was dildo. She had handcuff. She had a rope. She had this, she had that. I said, are you trying to plan a ritual on me? What are you trying to do? I said, it looks like she wanted, I was like, wait, can I ask, I asked her this question. Who did you bring those for? Who's the handcuffs for? She said, they're for you. Like, I just, like, I was thinking about our conversations and I thought, like, if I tied you up, it would be something crazy. I said, what? Tie me up? Me don't know you like that. Tie me up. And then I'm on the bed tied up and you rub me for everything that I've got. Or the worst thing, my biggest fear, that she tie me up and she start tickle me. And I can't move. That's the worst fear of all of this. I'm thinking, yo, she's gonna tie me up and then she's gonna start tickling me. And me can't take tickling, So I'm just sitting in my head thinking, yo, this girl's about to start. Look, I've got the violet.